Welcome once again, my fellow trader. This is our weekly market outlook and the recaps. We will be looking at DXY, we look at EURUSD, we look at pounds USD, we look at US30, we look at US500, that is S&P 500, we look at NASDAQ. Last but not the least, we also look at gold. Guys, if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. That's all. All right. Without wasting much of our time, we will dive in straight into the charts. No wasting of time. We head to the chart. We start with the DXY. We start with DXY. This is a weekly chart. Wow. Have a lot of lines here. Let me delete some lines here. Okay, let me go to monthly charts. Okay, first of all, this monthly charts, this week, this is 50% of this week. This is high to the low. Okay, so we had a target of this 0.5. That is our expectation. The last is the upper side. And we'll go back to weekly charts again. On the weekly charts, you see this week we rally up. We just rally up, touch the lower part of that monthly week standard deviation. This is the lower 0.75. So we touch it down, we trace back. So I was actually expecting us to touch 50% of the bots. Month has not ended, so there's still possibility of touching that. Then we head to daily charts. On a daily chart, the structure still remain bullish for now. So our expectation right now, I'm still expecting this 0.5 level, and the last level here is midpoint of 3 months value gap. So as it stands here now, on a weekly level, this is a weekly. This is just newly formed fair value gap. This is a newly formed weekly fair value gap. So we keep that in mind. All right. Then, so we open here, then we rally up, then we collapse to this. So this week, I will be kind of expecting maybe price can touch here. We might have something like is it 2 days or thereabout down, then the rest will be up. Like on Monday we open a little bit. If we tap here, if we tap this previous week low, if we tap it, immediately price open. So I will expect price to continue to go up. But if we didn't tap it down from here, then we rally up, then that would be a different ballgame. But on the hour, we expect a little down retracement, a little bit on a weekly perspective, then we'll move on upward. Then we head to daily time frame. On daily time frame here, price my expectation, it might come and touch this trade down candle. You might come and touch it again. Then it was a strong sign of bullish to move upward. Then if you show us that sign, then we will be on the buy side. So as daily time frame stands for now, it's still bullish. So we'll be waiting to buy. You see some signature, strong signature to buy from this point. Okay, the first target is 0.5. Then the rest is 102. That is for DXY. Then we head to EURUSD. EURUSD. Our EURUSD, we head to the weekly time frame. Okay? So this weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame, is kind of showing some sign of maybe is bullish or whatever, but I don't trust this bullishness right here. So, but I had this I was expecting price to tap this trend line liquidity. So if price can tap here, then the rest price will be this one. So on a daily time frame, so we had this rejection. As before the beginning of this week, I had the expectation that okay, price will from here, because this is the last Friday, then this is this week Monday open. So I was expecting price to just run up immediately here, then drop. But price failed to do that, then just drop. Use this daily fair value gap, hold price, then push price here. Just created something like a pin bar. Created something like a pin bar. Even on Monday, then we dropped and we just closed back. Just created something like a width. But here, I'll be watching price close, so we can as well use this the upper side of this fair value gap. We use it as a resistance to drop to this. We had this. This is a new sell side liquidity here, a new sell side, and this is another new sell side liquidity. This is another new sell side. So I will expect price give us some strong signature here on a lower time frame, then we drop, take out this sell side and this sell side, provided that we have still have a bullish DXY. But this pounds USD is very tricky. It's very tricky, the pounds USD. So first of all, this is a monthly fair value gap, and this is a breaker. This is a breaker. This downturn. So from high to low of this level, or high to low of this. So my limit here will be this 50% of here. If price grows below this level, I will not be looking at bullishness of pounds. I will not be looking at the bullishness. So I will be watching this level and this monthly fair value gap. Since I'm going to be bullish on this on monthly time frame, I wouldn't want price to close below this fair value gap also. Then we head to daily. Look at the right our daily time frame is giving us now. Okay, we open immediately, then we drop, we close back. Exactly what happened on the pounds on EURUSD. That's exactly what's happened. Yeah, because here I was expecting price to use this touch this daily fair value gap here before dropping lower. But we open on Monday, then Tuesday we drop, massive dropping on Tuesday. Then we close. Price failed to close below this the lower part of monthly fair value gap. So then Wednesday you have some bullishness, then Thursday we rally up, then we close back all of the loss we had on this. Then 4 hour on this, I'll still be expecting bullishness on this, like in the sense that if we drop a little bit here, we have some reason here to buy. I will likely buy. Then we'll be targeting this fair value gap. This one will be intraday price, because this is not aligning with DXY, so it will be on an intraday place basis, like get in and get out kind of trading, not what you hold for a full day or thereabouts. So this is intraday play on pounds USD. Then we head to Nasdaq. We get to weekly time frame. Okay, it's your monthly time frame. I mentioned that for the past 7 months we had this bullish candle close, so we are kind of at least expected some little bit retracement of Nasdaq. So I did expect this retracement, but I don't know how low are we going to come to this level, but that is still a long shot to call. Or this one also, we still have this unfilled fair value gap here. We have unfilled fair value gap, so you might drop here then before moving or come back here again. But at this stand on this is the monthly sheet anyway. As it stands right now on a weekly time frame now. As it stands on the weekly time frame, as you can see, this weekly time frame now. You see, we are price tap into this other block now, and a proportion block also. So they are like holding the price from going. So we will see normally on a ideal market, on a symmetry market, you expect price to from this side begin to rally up on a weekly. So if you have some reason on a lower time frame, from here we can buy to go up. Then we head to daily. Same thing. We are taking out this. We shift this, but this is now didn't close properly, like I see it down. Like we didn't close below. We just take this side here, then we start to rally up. So this also will be, you have to see some reason on a lower time frame to align with a weekly bullish price. Also here on a 4-hour time frame, we still have the structure stay down on a lower time frame, but mind you, we still have that weekly bullish structure. So until then, we had a shift in market structure on the lower time frame. Then we will look at how do we buy to align with weekly time frame. We have this nice equal high and this trend line liquidity also. So these are the area we might, if we had a nice signature here to buy, these are the area we will like to take profits. that will be that for now. Let me delete all this. All this is the bunch of, okay. So I will be watching price here. You say on 2 hours we still have what is it? We still have this downward trend. So the bullishness on the weekly time frame has not been established on the daily time frame. So we still wait to see the reason to join the buy, or it might continue going down. So that will be that for Nasdaq. Then S&P 500, same thing. They all move in tandem. They move in the same direction. So whatever I expect on Nasdaq, I will also be expecting that on S&P 500. Okay, same also US30. US30. So we are still having the same. These are the other block prices that is holding price. So we still be looking that on a lower time frame. Then gold, I think we are ready to buy gold now on a weekly. We have this first rejection and we have this inside bar. So this inside bar signifies a very strong change of direction now. So there's a likelihood like 80 to whatever 70% of we look for a strong reason to buy good. We'll be watching goods closely, especially if we have the closure of above this fair value gap. Alright, guys, that will be all for now. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Alright, trade smart and be safe.